My job requires a lot of measuring, but I am so tired of measuring objects around the house in the traditional way when I know I could be doing things in a much more improved way. That's why I was excited about this gadget right here. The iGaging Rollbot multifunction tapeless measuring gauge by Pen Tool Company is an absolute game changer. I so love how it features linear measurement, it's great on curvy surfaces, and you can simply just hold and roll for perfect measurements every single time. And if you're in my line of work, you know just how important perfect measurements are. It features a generous measure range of between 0 and 144 inches, and it comes with an attachable metal scriber for that perfect pinpoint measuring experience. Gone are the days of traditional measuring. The Rollbot is here to stay.